Hi, so let's look at this simple problem for geometry. We have a triangle ABC. The median AM meets the internal angle bisector BN at P. So I have drawn a median here. So this must be equal to this, and it meets the internal angle bisector. So this angle and this angle are same. So median AM and internal angle bisector intersect at the point P. This point is P. Let Q be the point of intersection of the lines CP and AB. So I have extended CP line and to this point, and this is Q point, right? You have to prove that triangle BNQ is isosceles. Triangle BNQ is isosceles. Now, the reason I chose this question is a very good illustration of how Sheva's theorem can be used. Okay, so Sheva's theorem says that if there is a point of concurrency and you have 3 points on the sides of the triangle. Here, the 3 points on the sides of the triangle are Q, N, and M, and 3 Chevians are intersecting. So AM, BN, and CQ are intersecting at this point P. So by the theorem, we have QA by QB, QA by QB multiplied by MB by MC multiplied by NC by NA. NC by NA, this should be equal to 1, right? Because they are intersecting Chevians. So now notice that this result implies a lot of things. We already know that M is midpoint of BC, right? M is midpoint of BC. So therefore BM must be equal to MC. And if BM is equal to MC, then this part will disappear, right? So you get QA by QB multiplied by NC by NA will be equal to 1, right? So therefore you can say QA by QB is equal to NA by NC, right? Now at this point you have to use basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So if one line, the line QN, is intersecting two sides of a triangle in such a way that it divides the sides in the same ratio, here QA and QB ratio is same as NA and NC ratio, then by Thales theorem it implies that QN is parallel to BC. Now QN is parallel to BC has interesting consequences. That means angle QNB must be equal to angle NBC. QNB must be equal to angle NBC because these are integer alternate angles now. And because this has become equal, we already know that angle ABC was bisected by BN line. So therefore, angle NBC is equal to angle QBN, and since NBC is equal to QNB, you get QBN is equal to QNB, which implies that triangle BQN is isosceles. So the proof is very simple if you can apply Sheva's theorem and notice this result. Once you get Sheva's theorem, by the property of median, you are getting this relation, and then Thales theorem you're applying here to infer that Qn is parallel to BC. After that, it is straightforward. So I just wanted to show you how you can easily use different properties that you have learned in basic geometry to prove questions which otherwise might be a little complicated. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you next time.